Good morning, my dear students. Myself Navneet Kaur. I am going to teach you English literature in your 7th class. And today we are going to start with a novel. And the name of novel is Around the World in 80 Days by Jules Verne, retold by Jenny Doolan. So, in this video I am going to give you an introduction regarding the writer and regarding the novel. In your first term, 3 chapters are included. The name of chapters are The Bet, Detective Fix, A Dangerous Forest. This novel, Around the World in 80 Days, is based on a bet. Whole story based on one bet. So, let us first get familiar with Jules Verne. Jules Verne was born in France in 8th February 1828. His father was a lawyer and his mother came from a family that owned a shipbuilding business. Means his father was a lawyer and his mother belongs to the family. That family owned the shipbuilding business. Underline first line, France. His birthplace France and date 8th February 1828. Young Jules Verne loved the sea, and this is why the sea is important in his stories. He is having a passion for sea. So he used sea in his stories, novels, plays, his writings. When he was a young boy, he ran away from home and got on a ship going to West Indies. But later he was caught and sent back home. Now next, in 1847, his father sent him to Paris to study law. As father was a lawyer, so father insists son also to study law. But son don't having any interest in law. Verne spent most of his time in writing plays for the theatre instead of study. In 1850, his first play was published and his father was very angry and stopped sending him money. In 1857, he married the lady named Honorine Morel and worked as a stockbroker. Do you know what is stockbroker? He is doing a job of a stockbroker in a stock exchange where there is a selling and buying of shares is going on. So, when his father stopped sending him money, he started his own job and married with the lady Honorine Morel. After that, at the same time, he continued writing, and in 1863, his first novel, 5 Weeks in a Balloon, was published. Underline this line, 5 Weeks in a Balloon, and the year 1863 was published. It was the great success and Verne became rich after that. Immediately after the publication of that novel, he became rich. That novel became very famous. Verne wrote many other adventure books which showed his knowledge of science, technology and travel. For example, 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, Journey to the Center of the Earth, and From the Earth to the Moon. These 3 are very famous books of Verne which include science, technology and travel. Jules went on many trips to different parts of the world. These experiences, his love of travel inspired him to write this novel which is in your syllabus, Around the World in 80 Days in 1873. Underline this line. He is also a fan of traveling. Traveling experiences inspired him to write this novel, Around the World in 80 Days. Jules Verne died on 24th March 1905. Many people believe that Verne invented science fiction. In his books, he predicted many things about the future which actually came true. Means he predicted so many things in his writings related to future which actually later become true. So this is all about Jules Verne. Here are the questions given. You will answer. Very easy questions. Read that paragraph carefully and answer these questions. Where and when was Jules born? Where did he try to go to when he was a boy? Why did he go to Paris? What was the title of his first novel? And when did he ride around the world in 80 days, and last one is when did he die. So this is all about the writer. Your first chapter is The Bet, and the main characters included in the novel Fog. This is a fog man with a cap, and here Passepartout, his servant, Detective Fix, and the Lady Oda. 4 main characters are there. There are so many other characters also, but the most of the story revolves around these 4 characters. So in next video we will just start with the first chapter, The Bet, and the story starts from a dinner table discussion on the dinner table related to robbery and about a bet. So this is all about the introduction. Thank you.